What's up, friends? Always freaking amazing to see you. If you are not one of my friends, I hope by the end of the video you subscribe and become one of them. Now, what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September. Then I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag X for August. Why is that? Did I slip up? No, I did not. I did not receive my Glam Bag X until September 8th. I reached them over and over again, talked to customer service 3 times. They told me they're on track, they're not late, and it was past the date that I usually get it, between the 8th and the 15th. So they kept telling me that, blowing me off. I'm like, all right, whatever. Finally, the 4th time, they got back to me and they said they're running behind. They apologize. Soon as it gets shipped out, they're going to let me know so I don't have to keep checking the tracking. Well, that's when September 8th came. I received my box. I did not receive an email. I double checked just to make sure. 2 days after that, they sent me an email saying, oh, by the way, your box should have came. Well, that was helpful. That really took a lot of stress off my plate, didn't it? Now, I don't run companies, so I don't know what's going on, but to me, when you take somebody's money, you should get the product out timely. I don't think it's fair to not do that. And for a good business, you would think that they would want to get the item to you quickly, because when you get it out, they're going to sit there, tell their friends about how great their box is, and they're going to want to get that box as well. So I would think the smart thing is to do that, to get people their item in a timely manner. And there's a lot of people, it's not just Ipsy, BoxyCharm, there are other boxes that do this. And I think it is stupid for a business to do that to their customers, because they're not going to get more people to come to them and sign up. Your loyal customers are getting pissed and unsubscribing from your company, and you're losing business. So that is my 2 cents on it. Is it wanted? I don't know. You tell me. But let's go ahead and jump on these products. So for September, the Glam Bag Plus bag. This is what I got. It is purple. I really like the purple, and I like the holographic of "You Got This." Now, the first 2 items they picked for me. The first one is this one. I liked it. You had to rip it open so you know it's fresh. And this is by Full Ritual, and it's a Magnetic Balm. It's your lips but better. It's barely a wash of color. Show you the wand. It's a basic wand. And I have this color on my lips. It is, like I said, a light wash, and it's a very light color. It's very moisturizing. I really like it. I don't know what the magnetic crap does with it. I've never had a lip gloss and what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to have to do research on that. And that is $23. The second item, I'm going to wipe my hand to get ready for the second swatch. This is by Natasha Denone. I'm not going to show you this. It's just a cardboard box. So this packaging is pretty. It does pick up fingerprints. I don't like this because I received this at BoxyCharm. This is another issue, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this as I vent, and then when I do the swatches, I can vent to you. So when a company goes over and does that, where you get the same product from Ipsy and BoxyCharm, why would somebody want both subscriptions? They're paying money to get the same damn items. That is just my thought on it. I don't think that a business should do that. If one company does it, take it off the table. And it's one thing if they were different companies, but now it's run by the same damn company. So, as I was swatching, giving more 2 cents of mine. So here is the cream blush, and here is the powder highlight. The cream blush is in Glow Cream Base, and the other one, the highlighter, is pinkish something, universal pink. Now, the other thing I don't like about this is a very So product. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. The thing that pisses me off is when you put a cream, you need to put a cover over it if you're going to have a powder in the same thing. It ruins the product. It pisses me off. I don't like it. Can you tell I like giving my honest opinion? Okay, now we're going to the products I picked out. So item number 3 is a hair oil and CBD. Oh, I don't think I even said the price of the Natasha. I was so irritated. This is $42. So this one over here that I picked out, the Outre hair oil. I don't know if I said that right. I don't think it even says over here. No, it just says it on the thing I looked up. This is $36. I'm interested in incorporating more CBD things because I have a face oil I absolutely love. I thought it was gimmicky, so that's why I picked this up. And I think if I like that, $36 for hair oil isn't bad. Now the 4th item is by Clarity RX, and it's a lactic acid. I like lactic acids to do it as my night treatments. Some bubble wrap. So if you're hearing the popping, it is in a nice glass bottle. Love that. And this one is pricey. It's 60 bucks. But that's what my night treatments usually cost, so I don't mind that. I hope I like it. The last item, I know I love it, and that's why I picked it. This is my favorite eye mask. This is the one I see the biggest difference, and it doesn't slip around on my face. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask. How much do I love this? The one I got in another box. This is the one I don't mind repeating. I think it was BoxyCharm, not sure, but absolutely fell in love with it. I have one left. I already ordered 2 more from Wander Beauty, and it is $26. For how many? I think, yeah, 6 pairs. So it is pricey, but I want to do this for me. I'm going to start doing this treatment at least once a week because my eyes feel amazing after this. But what I like also is this is in a different color because I think the ones online was rose gold and then gold. This is silver. Silver is my absolutely favorite. I'm not going to open it up to you because I'm not going to waste it. So if you add all 5 items up, my total box value is $107. Am I happy about this? I would say yes. The only thing that I did not like was the blush. I'll use it, but it's just, like I said, a so-so product until it gets gunky and I'll throw it away. So other than that, I'm really happy. Now let me go ahead and get rid of all this to make room for my box. Oh, before I do that, I just saw this and I want to talk about it. So I ordered some add-ons. They left one out of it. I guess they didn't have it. They didn't send me an email letting me know that they didn't have it. This was in here. So I don't know if that's why they gave me this or they're trying to apologize for sending my Glam Bag X box. But what it is their refreshments razor kit. So I don't know what that's about, or it's just time to be in here as a free gift. I don't know what it is. I don't think I'm going to contact Ipsy about the liner missing. It was $3.50, and I don't want to deal with the hassle of talking to that company again because I'm still really irritated. Okay, here is the box that I waited so much for, and what was so freaking funny is I raved about how much I wanted this box because it was curated by Alicia Keys. And I had all these issues. I even had friends get this because I was so excited about it, and they were excited about Alicia Keys. Let me get all my products out. Right, get rid of that. Here is the little magazine that tells you how much everything is, with, of course, Alicia Keys on here. So it's kind of wish-wash of what they picked and what I picked, and we're gonna see if I like this box. So the first item, I have a video on this of what I think of the Truly brand. Spoiler alert, I did not like the products that I tried, but go ahead and check that out if you're interested about this brand. And what's funny is I just read a comment and they were like, thank you for sharing. I'm like, I guess you didn't watch my video, because if you watched my video, you would sit there and say, please stop sharing. But this is the Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Polish, and it says soothe and glow, and it's supposed to have 300 milligrams CBD, matcha, and things like that. It's $35. I really don't see the point. My Tree Hut and my Village Naturals body scrub is my personal favorite, and it's a hell lot cheaper than this. And for the CBD in it, wouldn't have to sit on the skin for a while before it would soak it up. That's what I think. Okay, the second item they picked, of course, it's from Keys, and it's their Skin Transforming Cream. So it's a face cream. So let me go ahead and open this up. So the packaging is really pretty. I love the purple and the black. And this one is $32. So I just want to see how this feels. Is there a scent? There's a very light scent. I can't even pick up what it is, but if you're looking for authentic scent descriptions, that is not me. Like I said, I live with men in the house and they think it's funny to fart everywhere. Even my girl dog farts, Sugar Bear. It has a light, like, floral scent, I think. All right, well, I'm gonna see, because I expect a lot out of my face creams because I have dry skin, so I really need some nourishment. Now, the next item is going to be the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick, and I picked this one. I've never tried any of her shadow sticks. She has my favorite primer. Her Vitamin Face Base Primer is the frickin' shit, I swear. So here we go. I'm going to show you that. And this one is $20. And that's on par of what I usually pay, because I have a whole bunch of shadow sticks and that's about the price. So that's not that much. And it's just a vanilla color. I would like that when I do my basic shadows. This would be nice to throw on the lid and I don't have to worry about it creasing. So that's why I picked that one. The next item they picked for me, I have a friend that likes this mascara because she told me, because I tried the original one and this is the Benefit mascara, but this is the magnetic one. There's that word again. I guess that's the craze word now. Just add magnetic to it. So here it is. Hopefully it's better than the original, because I didn't like the original one. And this is the applicator. I usually don't like these, but we'll see. And this one's $27. The next item, the sixth item, is going to be a product I know and like. They had really shitty options on picking. I don't know what it is, because I think it was an hour after it went live to pick your items, and it seemed like it was all shitty choices. And here we go. Very cute. I like this a lot. I've received it in other boxes, and this is $34. The seventh item I received in other boxes, but I really like this one. I would have liked something different that I was excited about, but I saw this and I said, what the hell? This is Wishful by Huda Beauty, and this is the Thirst Trap. I like it because it has hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe vera, and hollyhock rose, whatever that is. But I don't remember it smelling like rose. My skin really likes this. Yeah, I don't smell rose. And the other thing that's a winner is this frickin' packaging. And this one is extremely pricey, $47. And I have rebought this from their site myself. The next item, another damn repeat. And this one they picked out for me. And this one has a big price tag too. So this is a big ticket item in the box, and I already have it. So this is the Ofra, and this is the Glow Pro palette. So I'm going to fold this over so you can see it. Let you look. As you're looking, I'm going to read off the little plastic thing. So it's the Blissful Highlighter over here, the Egyptian Clay Bronzer, the Americano Bronzer over here, California Dream Triangle, Beverly Hills Highlighter, and Rodeo Drive Highlighter. So I like this palette. It is nice, but I already have one, so that was disappointing. And am I happy about this box value? Even though it's $383 value, no, I'm not, because pretty much everything is a damn repeat. So I'm not happy about it, and I just saw that I forgot an item, and this is an item I actually like. So this goes, it's already factored into the 383, but this is the Pat McGrath lipstick that I forgot. And this is the thing they picked out for me. This is $39. I'm gonna swatch it. That's a really pretty color. So I'm stoked about this. This is something they picked that I really liked. Now, my favorite item in this box is probably the item, I don't know, I would say the Bobbi Brown, and this lipstick is my absolute favorite that I'm extremely happy that I got in the box. Even though these were repeats, these I was kind of medium about. I would have liked to get something different, but these two right over here, I like it, but like I said, I would have liked to get something new because I've already repurchased this. I've gotten other boxes, and that one I wanted more. That's the whole point of getting these boxes, is trying new things, and getting the same shit is defeating that purpose. But $383, I don't think it was worth it. Me raving about this box, getting friends excited about this box, this was a letdown. I would have expected more between the Ipsy and Alicia Keys thing, because this was a major letdown. But that is my 2 cents. What do you think about my 2 boxes, my bag and my box, whatever? It's just natural to say unboxing. But tell me what you think of my boxes. Did you like one? Did you not like the other? Did you like them both? Did you hate them both? So let me know. Not sure what my next video is going to be. I'm hoping it would be BoxyCharm. Hopefully that comes, and I don't have anything like this that happened. I hope all you get your boxes on time. Let me know if you have any issues and talk about it. Guys, talk about it below, talk about it with me, talk about it with other friends. I'm telling you, we're in this together. So maybe if another of us voice our opinions, we can get the attention from these companies and start treating us with the respect we deserve when they take our damn money. Okay, let's go ahead and do our favorite time. It's fur baby time. Here we go, Shuggy. Go say hi to all our friends. Give kisses. Yes. Now, I do have a friend that is going through a lot of health issues, and I want you to sit there and wish her all the health prayers, anything that you want to do about her getting better. I'm not going to go into detail with what's wrong with her, but she is one of my dearest friends on here. She has stood by my side. Her name is Beautiful Soul. You'll see her in my comment section. I'll wish her well. We're all thinking of her. We all love her. That's what we are. We are friends, and we stick together. Love you guys. You know I think that you're fucking amazing. Bye, guys.